Another day in my dinosaur lab. Hi, Yankee. Still taking care of your egg? And now let's make the fossil. Get the paper there. Yes. Now, let's make the tail. Look at this tail. Look at. Owie. What happened? Let's do it a little child again. What happened? Yeah. Oh, I missed one piece. I think that's why it didn't work. What happened to the tails? Tail. If it doesn't happen, I will be very sorry. Let's think about this for a little while. Let's grab our ribcage for a little while and let's see what we shall do. I grab this. Yeah, that I connected. Yes. What? Oh, shut up. I missed one piece. I think that's why it didn't work. What happened? It was my fault bringing you guys here. Yeah, can't at least one of us go? Yeah, but do the eeny, meeny, miny, moe, test, by a toe. Iffy hopper, let him go. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Steggy goes. Bye, Steggy. Hope you have a great time. I'm just here to eat leaves. Me. He's there. I will keep these bones protected. No, the lab sticks. I couldn't complete the fossil. It's too complicated. I will make another fossil that at least has instructions, and I will make another video with my parents, and I'll try to build it. Yay! And then I will show you. At least we completed the skull. And I will do it with instructions next time with my parents. So let's at least learn about one country. What is this country? Yes. If you guessed Iceland, it's correct. I'll bring my parents and complete the fossil in the next episode. Zoom.